Live from Denver 7, this is 7 News.
And a little later, the new drug promising thicker, longer lashes. How much you'll pay and how long it takes to see results. Well, some women are willing to try just about anything to make their skimpy eyelashes look better.
So, next on 7 News here today at 11, how long it takes to get results from a new prescription drug and what it costs. Welcome back to 7 News. There's a new drug out there promising to grow longer, fuller lashes. It's getting a lot of attention.
So we wonder how it works and how long it took to actually see results. And here's a before and after of a patient who used Latisse. Take a look. The top you see there is the before, and the bottom, that's after 16 weeks. You can see a huge difference in the lashes there. They do look thicker and longer.
So joining us to talk more about this is Dr. Michelle White, an oculoplastic surgeon with Parker Adventist Hospital. Thanks for coming in. We appreciate it. So tell us, first of all, this is the product here. And again, we mentioned it's called Latisse. This was discovered, we understand, kind of by accident, right?
It was. Originally, it was a glaucoma drop. And we found then that our patients were coming in with treated glaucoma and their eyelashes had grown fabulously.
Not a bad side effect, I guess.
Not a bad one.
So typically it's used for people maybe with underdeveloped eyelashes before. I mean, that helps them, I'm assuming.
It does, but underdeveloped eyelashes is sort of a personal preference, I guess. So if you ask most of your girlfriends, yes, at least most of my girlfriends think that their eyelashes are underdeveloped.
We talked about, I said the side effects of the drug was, the eyelashes are longer. Are there any negative side effects to using this product?
There are. In the FDA trials for this, about 4% of people showed some redness, a little irritation of the eyes, but if you continue to use Latisse once a day, it gradually went away over the next couple of weeks.
And you've used this?
I do,
and
yes.
So you like it?
I love it. It's fabulous.
Yes. So you've used it for 2 months, you said, and you can see a dramatic difference?
Yes. Yes, and my patients, everybody's a little bit different. I think that the average result is in a month or two. Some people get a dramatic result in 2 weeks. Some people it takes up to 4 months.
And so if you stop using it, does the effects also stop? Must you continue to use it again and again?
Yes, and so your eyelash growth is typically for 4 months. So if you stop using the Latisse, then the eyelashes will revert to their original condition in about 4 months. But what I recommend is just simply decreasing the use. Once you achieve your desired result, then you can decrease it to once or twice a week rather than every night, and it can maintain those eyelashes forever.
Okay, so you're supposed to put it on every night for long term, and you can see results. The results vary, of course. What if you accidentally skipped one night, or maybe 2 days, or maybe 3 days? What can happen then?
Again, no big deal. So there's no negative side effect of missing a dose. Maybe your eyelashes wouldn't grow as fast, but again, if you reach your achieve results, then you can actually decrease it to missing a night or two every now and then and still keep your long lashes.
Okay, now that we've got people excited about this, let's talk about the cost. I mean, is it essentially $120 for what I have here in my hands?
Yes.
And how long might that last?
There's 100 drops in a bottle.
Okay.
And so if you use 1 drop a night, that would be 100 days. So for 3 months.
And is it covered by insurance at all?
No, it's considered pretty much cosmetic, and so no, insurance doesn't like that.
But anyone could get this. You don't have to come in and say, I have some eye a problem, and that's why I need this. Anyone could purchase
Pretty much
it.
anyone. I mean, well, you have to have a prescription, so it has to be dispensed by a doctor. You can either come into the doctor's office if it's a doctor that specializes in eyelids or eyes, or you can get a prescription and go get it at the pharmacy.
And this is 100 drops. Is it 100 drop per eye, or you could use that, I don't know, half a drop per eye to just try to save up? I don't know.
You're getting really technical on you this morning.
You can tell I'm kind of interested because a lot of people have been asking about this, and as a lady, you do want the long eyelashes.
I use it 1 drop per night, so half a drop per eye. So yes, that's how I use it. It's FDA approved to use 1 drop per eye per night. So it's the way that the FDA wants you to do it is for 50 days.
Okay.
Very good. Well, it's very intriguing. I know you're getting a lot of people asking about this, and so we put the contact information with the doctor's number there and a link on our website at thedenverchannel.com. You know what to do. Just go to the top of the page there with all the news and just click on that big TV button. And Dr. White, we appreciate you coming in. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Very much.
All right.